What's up guys? So welcome back to our channel. So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Atomic Card natin para ipang grocery at kung paano mag-setup ng payment plan sa Atomic app. Bago yan, i-promote ko lang ang aming personalized gift sets and souvenir online shop, Chloe and Clyde Essentials. So you can find our newest items like this sa aming TikTok shop. And feel free to inquire sa aming Facebook page. Let's go!
So yan, nandito na tayo sa Robinson Supermarket para mag-grocery at gamitin ulit ang ating Atomic Card. At syempre, kailangan naka-cart para makasakay si Totoy. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa counter para magbayad using our Atomic Card. Pinaka-importante dito is dapat sabihin nyo sa cashier na debit card siya at savings account yung gagamitin nyo para maiwasan ma-decline yung transaction. At heto na, accepted as payment method ang ating Atomic Card.
Okay, so nandito na tayo ngayon sa app. So kung wala pa kayo nito, you can watch my previous video kung paano kayo makakapag-apply for this emergency card. Okay, so going back, since ilang beses na namin nagamit itong card na to, meron na lang kaming 2,372 pesos and 58 cents available spending limit from 8,000 pesos. So for this month of February, meron kaming 3,902 pesos and 93 cents bill. Itong bill na to is yung nagamit mong credit limit at yung monthly payment mo sa previous monthly payment plan. So click pay now. Yan, mag-show siya dyan. Yung previous monthly installment mo at yung nagamit mong credit this month. So, nakagamit kami ng 3,407 pesos and 32 cents this month na isa-set ulit natin to pay in full, one time, or installment. So, you can choose ulit to pay in 3 months or 6 months. So, nandiyan na yung computation. Then, once na nakapag-decide na kayo sa payment plan, kailangan nyo bayaran yung previous installment at yung newly set na payment plan na nakalagay dyan. So, nakalagay dyan kung what fee is included. So, each installment includes 204 pesos and 44 centavos. So, 6% interest fee. So, click this button para sa payment schedules. So, pag okay na kayo dyan, click confirm payment plan. Then, ito na yung mag-show next. Yung amount to pay, which is 1,296 pesos and 34 centavos. This includes previous payment plan at yung newly set up na payment plan mo. So, yan. Okay, that's it for today's video. Separate video na lang tayo on how to set up payments for your Atomic Card. So, you can also check my other videos for alternative loan apps and earning game apps linked down below. Peace!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.